Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's GIDDYWAY Worldwide. So, you are here on train the GIDDYWAY platform. So, guys, you will not understand this style if you have not watched my previous video. Yes, now me do one like that. I like it like that. So, you go back, you watch that one to understand this one. Thank you. That's how they do it now. So, on this style, if you have done your V, you might take more. If you have done your V, now see, we'll start picking fan. Watch, we'll start picking big fan. But watch how we are going to treat the fan that we are picking. Okay. It's like we are pleating it forward. We'll just be pleating our fan. Oh. And now, for the newbies that are here, how do you pleat fan? Small, then big. You pick small, then you pick big. You pick it once. Pick small, you pick big. It's like you're using your V to create fan now. So go small, big. Just watch. I'm gonna do it little so that big, small, big. Now you see the way it is now. So please go to the other one. Watch it so that you understand that style. Then you now come and understand this one also. So now it is now. We'll twist it like this. Looking like the fan is now like this. This GèLè will disgrace me, but God will not agree. This Ashoke want to disgrace me. So you see the way it is already. So we'll pin it like it's coming forward. So that like that. So you pin it, you now pin it. So the way you twist it, everything now look like it's coming forward. Now let's dress it properly. Now dress all this one inside. So you see the way it is coming forward. Now we'll arrange these ones then backward and pin. Yes, we'll arrange them backward and pin. So our focus is not here. So we just do it backward, try to wrap and we pin. Hello, you wrap and you pin. So a big shout out to my colleague Eminence GèLè. He's a pro in this style, you understand? So this one now is just copy, you understand? This is just like replicating it. So it's not going to be like the original owner. If you can go on Instagram and check Eminence GèLè, but you see the GèLè, it's good like you. Yeah. So in case if you are tying it, this is the way you already do. If it's not doing, you are not getting it. So we'll continue. From the O, the person will hold the two ears very well. Hold it from here. Why now? I will take pleats. See, I'll just take pleats. Might just take few pleats to cross over. Few pleats to cross over. Then I'll pin. Now here comes the other work. This GèLè now, if the person that is to tie it is very creative. Yeah, I admire his creativity a lot. So definitely this GèLè now, you start creating styles. You see, you might just decide, okay, this one to bring it here and fold. So please, like I always tell you, if you're a GIDDYWAY lover, your creativity can be different from mine. So anywhere you can pin, you pin, because this GèLè doesn't really have a pattern. So you just dress it your own pattern. You just dress it your own pattern. So if you want to see the original, because this one now is the copy, that's why I said it's the copy. So it's not, so the way he ties his own is different. The way GIDDYWAY is tying it is different. This is what the GIDDYWAY. So now we can just decide, okay, yeah, what are we going to do at the back? I just carry this one. I put this one here. Or we'll soak it like this. Put it here. The thing is, there's enough scattered. There's enough scattered. You see the way it is already now. You can just pin and you are good to go. Imagine someone for a shoot or anything. You pin, you are good to go. So guys, just start doing your own creativity. Like I said, start building. I will decide. Okay, let me just. You just know one thing about this girl is your time. You must be creative this way because his own used to come in different way. Today he might do it this way. Today he might do it the other way. So, but also note, Giddy way will always try his best to do it the Giddy way. So, you too, try your best. You're a Giddy way fan. You should know how you do your own also. So, I might just pin this at the back. But first of all, this is just the major side. This side, these few ones will be straight, while this one will be bent. Then you just start building. You just start building. Just start building. Start building. Just start building your thing. Just start building your thing. You just start building your thing. So when you take a look at this, you just build your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Now will be asking now, get this GèLè tight. It's very tight, my dear. Very, 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 very tight. So please, you see this scatter nice. It's stopping my own, but we move. That's what I said. We what? We move. We move. So for your photo shoot, whatever you want, just tell your auntie, tell your uncle, anybody that's coming to Nigeria, that GIDDYWAY. You can tie it. Just show him this style. I might not be able to recreate it that exact way, but I will do something also nice. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it. This is what I could come up with. So when you're doing yours can be different. So GIDDYWAY lovers, I'd love to see you in another class. So please watch, share, practice, and keep sharing. I would like to see you try this out. Thank you.